Let me show you two ways of creating new folders in your Google Drive. Just click this big New button at the top left. Then the very first thing on the list is a folder. Give it a name. And here it is. Alternatively, you can click somewhere in the drive, right click, and you will have the short list. And you can again select new folder from this list. Keep in mind, you can change the color of your folder, so it will be a bit easier to spot which one is for what. To do that, select this More Action button, and in Organize tab, you got option to move it around. You can add start to it, and you can change the color of the folder. By default is this dark gray, but we can make it, let's say, green. Here it is. This folder, I would change it to be blue. If you want to share the whole folder, you can also do it from here. You can just click share. If the folder is shared with somebody else, you will see this little human icon on it. Means somebody else got access to this folder. You shared it with somebody. Alright, I hope this was helpful. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.